Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will learn a new topic, soil and rock. Okay? So, all plants need water, soil, rock, sunlight, soil. If there is no soil on the earth, can the plants grow? Have you ever thought whatever the soil in the same everywhere in the desert, near the river, or in the hilly regions? Is the soil present in our flower pots at home different from that in which crops grown on farmer? Let's learn more about soil. Okay, see soil. Soil. The topmost layer of the earth's surface where plants grow is called soil. It is the mixture of broken rocks, air, water, and other substances. Soil is also contains decaying organic matters of plants and animals. Some small organisms such as ant, snail, earthworms, they also stay inside the soil. Let's learn the formation of soil. Soil is formed by breakdown of rocks over the period of time. The rocks in various regions are exposed to different climatic conditions such as rain, sunlight, wind and snow. The sun heats up the rocks and the rain cools them. This causes the rocks to crack and break up into smaller pieces. The dead remains of plants and animals also get mixed with these pieces. Okay? So, this is the formation of soil. The process of breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces continues for thousands of years till a finely powdered mass is formed. This powdery mass is called soil. You might have wondered that how water can crack and break a rock into pieces. Let's learn about composition of soil. Soil contains many things. Soil is mainly made up of gravel, sand, clay, humus, air, and water. The bottom layer of soil is made up of small stone called gravel. As you can see in the picture, the bottom layer of soil is made up of small stone. Above the bottom layer, a layer of sand is present. The sand particles are much smaller than gravel. Above the sand, a layer of very small and fine particles are present. This layer is called clay. The clay particles are so small that you cannot see them separately. Above the clay, there is a layer of muddy water. On top, there is a layer of humus. As you can see in the picture, the top layer is of humus. It consists of decayed remains of dead plants and animals. Soil also contains air and water. As you can see in the picture, the layer of soil. Now see the activity. Take a glass jar, dig out some soil from the garden and put it in the jar. Pour some water into jar and stir it. Now leave it undistributed for about an hour. You will see several distinct layers in the jar. This is what soil contains. So my dear students, you have to do this activity. Okay? Now see the types of soil based on the size of particles. Soil can be classified as clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Okay, let's learn the clay soil. This is how clay soil looks like. This type of soil has a very fine particle. Soil There is no space between the particles. Soil particles are tightly packed with very little space between them. Therefore, plants do not grow well in the soil. Water cannot go through the clay soil easily. Now see, clay soil becomes sticky when wet, but is smooth when dry. Clay soil becomes hard when it is baked. It is used by potters to make earthen pots, toys, ideals, and other things. Okay, earthen pots are widely used for cooling water. Now see sandy soil, and see this is how sandy soil. See sandy soil. Sandy soil contains a lot of sand particles. Sandy soil has a large particles with lots of spaces between them. It holds very little amount of water. So therefore plants do not grow well in it. Now see loamy soil. This type of soil mostly it contains the mixture of clay and sand particles. It provides enough water and air for plants. Plants grow well in loamy soil. Hence, plants grow well in the loamy soil. It also contains humus which makes the soil fertile. Now see the importance of soil. Now see the importance of soil. Soil is important for growth of plant. It provides water and minerals to the plant. Fertile soil helps in producing healthy crops. Okay? We add manure to enhance the fertility of soil. Now what is manure? Manure is a mixture of animal dung and decaying leaves that contain a lot of nutrients. Some small animals such as worms, mites, bacteria or moles also help to make the soil fertile in their own ways. You can see in these pictures, there are the pictures. Soil is a precious natural resource. It is our duty to protect the soil by planting more trees. The roots of trees hold the soil particles tightly. So this prevents the soil to get carried or washed away by wind or water. Now see rocks. This is how rocks looks like. Rocks are consolidated solid that mostly made of minerals. Rocks are very useful to us. Let's learn the different type of rocks. Rocks such as granite, marble, pumice, diamond that we might have seen or heard about. Let's learn one by one in detail. Granite is a very hard rock. It is used for making kitchen counters, tops, and floor tiles. Granite is a hard rock and we use making kitchen counters, tops and floors. Diamond is considered as the hardest rock found on the earth. It is widely used for cutting, drilling and polishing of other hard objects. Diamond is a very precious rock. Thus, it is also used to make jewelry. Okay. Now see marble. Marble is a hard and shiny rock. It is used to make statues, monuments, buildings. The Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. So my dear students, this is all about soil and rock. So keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.